Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you an AT&T 210. Now this is a brand new telephone, and this is Ken's telephone from California. And this phone came in with a letter, and I had spoke with Ken earlier, and he says, can you please configure this new AT&T Model 210 phone so that it cannot dial an outside number except for 911. And we pretty often get telephones in that are going to be in public places, so they want to give, the company would want to give people or the public a telephone to use, but not to dial all kinds of different numbers and long distance and stuff like that. So basically it's a courtesy telephone, and I always try to alert people that if you're going to have a situation where you have a phone for them to talk on, it's a good idea to be able to dial 911. Or there might be a problem if somebody ever had to dial 911 and they couldn't get out on the telephone. So that's what this telephone is in here for. And I want to give you a look at it. And what we're going to do is some checks on this telephone now. I'm going to go ahead and ring it. Give you some dial tone. It has a setting like the older 210s, high, medium, and low. And we're going to dial our numbers if you watch. We're going to hang up. It's going to end in a 2. Maybe we did not dial the 2. Let me try this one more time. I want to end in a 2. Now I want to hit redial. That will end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset here. 1, 2, 3. If you watch the red light on the analyzer, that's 100% modulation on transmit. Hello, hello. So we know that the telephone works. And so now what we want to do is we want to take the telephone apart. And so I'm just going to take the cord out. Now we do already have the cover off. They're very difficult to get into. Kind of show you the PC board. Kind of give you a look at that. And so what we want to do is we want to configure this telephone so it won't dial any numbers except for 911. And when we do these conversions, we do it in a way that everything can be reversed. So if they ever want to use it as a regular telephone, they can undo our conversion. We kind of want to snap and unplug this board here. Lift it up and kind of give you a look at it. And that's what the new style 210s look like on the inside. So now what we're going to do is take a short break from the video, and we're going to do our configuration, and then we'll be right back. Okay, we're back, and we are finished up with the conversion so that we can only dial 911. And what we want to do now is I want to go ahead and ring the phone, so we're going to do some final checks on it. Let that go one more time. Give some dial tone. Now we're going to go ahead and dial 911. If you watch the analyzer, we're going to hang up. 911. Now what we're going to do is try to dial some of the other numbers. So all it's going to dial is 911. And it doesn't matter what we dial. Now we can hit flash, and we can hit redial, but we have to hang up and dial it again. And that's all we need to be concerned with. So now I'm going to go ahead and transmit into the handset. And if you watch that red light, like earlier, we mentioned that was 100% modulation every time you see that red LED on the analyzer. Hello, 1, 2, 3. So we know that the telephone is in working condition and that it will only dial 911 now. We can send this telephone back to Ken and it's finished up. Now, the base did not come with this telephone, but this is a brand new telephone. And there would be a base to this. And it is not uncommon. Quite often we get telephones in that a business, a company or whatever wants to put out a telephone, for the public, but they don't want them to be able to dial out long distance numbers or calling all over the place. But it's a good idea to have them where they dial 911. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. This is Ken's telephone from California. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.